Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jai Education. Now we are going to learn and write how I spent summer vacation. 1. Summer vacation is the best time of the year. 2. This summer vacation I visit to my grandparents' home. 3. They live in Patna, which is quite a distance to my city. 4. I went there with my parents. 5. My cousin also visit our grandparents during this summer vacation. 6. I went to farm with my grandfather. 7. I learned many things during summer vacation. 8. I enjoy this summer vacation very much. 9. I come back home before my summer vacation ended. 10. It was the best summer vacation of my life. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.